Can't wait to eat these Persian Barg Chops. Let's see how Fiza has made.
Hello everyone. The ingredients we need are saffron water 1 tablespoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, salt to taste, onion juice half cup, and 12 lamb or goat chops. First I will pound the meat like this. You have to pound it this much thin to tenderize the meat. Chops are ready to marinate. I will add 1 teaspoon black pepper, turmeric, salt, 1 tablespoon saffron water, mix it and add it to your chops. Mix it well, and you have to marinate it at least 30 minutes. Then we will grill it. Spray some oil on the grill. Place on the chops on the grill. Spray some oil on the top and cover it. After 10 minutes, I will turn the side. I will cook the meat for next at least 10 minutes, and I will grill some vegetables. And cover it. Chops are ready to serve.